In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Chat GPT. Whether you're a writer, a social media enthusiast, or looking to capitalize on the growing demand for technology-driven solutions, there's a lucrative opportunity for everyone. Let's delve into some of the most compelling ways you can monetize Chat GPT's capabilities. First on our list is providing content writing services. If you have a flair for writing and are looking to bolster your income, this is an excellent avenue. Marketing teams across diverse industries are constantly on the hunt for writers who can churn out high quality content quickly. This is where ChatGPT comes in. By leveraging its ability to generate engaging text, you can significantly cut down on the time you spend writing, allowing you to take on more assignments and ultimately increase your earnings. Next, let's talk about social media management. Managing social media accounts can be time consuming, especially when juggling multiple platforms. Fortunately, ChatGPT can help streamline this process. It can generate social media posts, craft compelling captions, and even help you brainstorm the perfect hashtags. The time saved means you can handle more accounts efficiently, translating to more business and revenue potential. For those with a penchant for blogging, creating blog posts with ChatGPT can be a fantastic way to earn money. Not only can it help you come up with fresh ideas, but it can also assist in drafting posts and optimizing them for search engines. Over time, this can become a steady source of passive income as you attract more readers and advertisers to your blog. Affiliate marketing presents another lucrative opportunity. As a solopreneur or small business owner, you can join affiliate programs and promote products using content generated by ChatGPT. Craft email marketing campaigns, social media posts, and other promotional materials to showcase products from platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. This approach can seamlessly integrate into your current business model or serve as a standalone revenue stream. With the growing popularity of AI chatbots, creating custom AI chatbots tailored to specific business needs is in high demand. Many businesses are keen on deploying personalized AI solutions, and you can capitalize on this trend. By learning to customize AI-driven chatbots with ChatGPT and utilizing existing services to handle most of the workload, you can offer businesses the personalized tech solutions they crave. Lastly, let's explore how ChatGPT can aid you in creating YouTube video content. From generating ideas and scripting to developing compelling titles and descriptions, ChatGPT can significantly ease the video production process. As you consistently put out engaging content, you can start building a following and, in turn, generate income through advertising revenue. Each of these opportunities taps into ChatGPT's remarkable capabilities, opening doors to diverse streams of income. So why wait? Start exploring these options today and watch how ChatGPT can transform your financial future.